So, how to know about the bigger truths of life? How to know about the truths of the universe and God? So, to know the truth of universe and God, first you need to understand your own truth. You have to start with your own truth. Yes. अगर आज भी आपकी ये प्रॉब्लम है, शर्मा जी का लड़का क्या कर रहा है, एंड आप अपनी जेलसी, इनसिक्योरिटीज़, अपने फियर्स, आप ये सब अवॉइड कर रहे हो, सप्रेस कर रहे हो, और आप ये देख रहे हो कि शर्मा जी का लड़का क्या कर रहा है, आपका फोकस वहाँ पर है, एंड you're spilling your energy everywhere, you know and then to avoid that, avoid your own truth, that the way you feel about yourself, the way you feel about Sharma ji ka ladka, everything, to avoid your own truth, you go and you look for God and universe. It's not going to happen for you, I'm sorry. For some people, even looking for God and universe is also a way of distraction. So they are just little curious about God and universe. It's like they will know something, and they might show it off to their friends or something like that, but it doesn't work like that. It doesn't work like that at all. So it's really important to understand that we need to do our inner work. We need to see our own truths. हमें अपना ट्रूथ पहले देखना पड़ेगा, राइट? हमें देखना पड़ेगा कि हमारा ट्रूथ क्या है, हमारे फियर्स इनसिक्योरिटीज़ क्या हैं, हमारे अंदर क्या प्रॉब्लम्स हैं या क्या सही है. वैसे तो spirituality में you don't see yourself as a problem. You don't see yourself as a problem. Spirituality में it's like you accept yourself completely, and then yet you navigate yourself, and you evolve, and evolution happens not, the idea of Charles Darwin that the fittest gets the survival title or something. No, it's not a competition. Evolution happens when you are at your best acceptance, when you accept your shadows, when you accept your demons, and you want to work on that. आप अपने truth पे work कर रहे हो, then definitely will reach you. Even a leaf contains the truth of God. Even soil contains the truth of God. Even butterflies contain the truth of God. So truth is everywhere, and it's there everywhere. But you have to start maybe with your with your own truth, because that is exactly where I feel you're gonna find God. Don't use God as a distraction.